Okay.
Okay.
All right. So.
Why not?
So we have a programming competition coming up in the fall, and I do have a competitive programming class that I offer during that semester. So in addition to preparing you for this course, for the competition, what it really helps you, even if you don't like competing, is it will really help you with your job interviews. Because a lot of times in job interviews, what they will do is they will give you a programming problem, a simple one, similar to what you will encounter in a programming competition or what you will see in this course, and they'll ask you to solve it. And they're really looking to how you solve problems. And what this course really does is help you develop your programming, I call it maturity, but your programming skills in order to quickly solve these problems correctly. Yes?
I thought I read somewhere that you take that class twice for 4 credits.
Right, so it's a 2-hour class. You can take it twice for up to 4 credits. So you don't have to, so you will get your credits. It's split between 2 semesters because it's just due to the way this works. It's really hard to cram it all into 1 semester. That'd probably be rougher than data structures in actuality.
Are you teaching it like the way you teach competitive security?
Yeah, it's similar.
Okay, so you're not like stressed out about the class when you show up type thing?
Okay, yeah, the way it works is, you need to do your labs. You're going to have a lab a week, obviously.
Obviously.
And then you need to actually participate in some competitions. Now,
Yeah, it's the part I have the issue with.
Yeah.
That's the only issue I have, is being able to participate in competitions.
now, unlike security, programming competitions are a lot easier to compete in.
What?
What's on the desk?
Because first off, you have your physical one that you can go to, but they host online ones all the time. Like there's usually about 3 or 4 a week that you can go to, and these competitions last an hour. So as long as you go to, or an hour or 2, I'll say maybe 2, depending on what you go to. So as long as you attend the competition and you show me that you competed, you're going to get a good grade. I'm not
What
worried.
about like placement?
So I'm really looking, this course is more about improvement than placement.
Okay.
So I'm not, if you don't get first place, you can still get an A in this course.
What if you get like last
180th
place?
Okay, if you come back and say, I competed here, and I ask, well, what code did you submit? And you're like, I didn't do any coding. I mean, obviously that didn't count, right?
Hey Jonah, is that how you talk? Yes.
I didn't do any coding. But you said I competed, this is the code I submitted, it didn't quite pass some of the test cases, /any, it's okay.
/any.
And /any,
Yeah.
as long as you have
It's
to-
literally like hello world.
Okay, you know what I mean, you tried, right?
Yeah.
As long as I can see that you tried,
Literally typed it.
you're gonna get a good grade.
Your code doesn't even compile because all you type is hello world.
Alright, well.
No, goodbye world.
You have to actually try, okay? No matter-
Genius! And you
Genius! How could no one ever thought of this before?
I don't know how I
Oh,
did
yeah,
it,
what was that,
but I
the
won.
essay on existentialism? You left it blank.
Yeah.
Amazing!
Brilliant! That's Get Smart, and the guy's like, dude, brilliant.
Brilliant. That's such a blank.
Like, I won $10,000 because I submitted a blank code.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. The competitions are just to get you. They're really the point of the competition is to get you used to that environment because you'll be thrown in that environment when you do interviews. It's more about getting you used to it, showing that you competed, showing that you tried more than anything. And then with the labs, just showing that you learn a couple of techniques as we go through. The real purpose of this is to really improve your programming skills, but there are some extra topics that aren't really discussed in our standard curriculum that I go over. What do I list here? Data structures. Hey, we do some of that. So it'll be.
What?
Yeah. Whoa.
Data
I don't know-
structures
I don't know-
needed?
Who
I don't know if
knew?
you've ever heard of these guys.
Now I really don't want to take that class.
Not recommend.
So, what's nice about this one is you are using them, you're not creating them, like in here. So you're using the data structure in order to solve a problem. Number theory, which I don't think we even have a number theory course here. Combinatorics, especially graph theory. We haven't talked about graphs, but we will. Number theory? Theory
I
of
don't know,
numbers.
the combinatorics word seems more fun.
No.
Combinatorics, that's right.
Let's see what we got. Sorting, computational algebra, backtracking, dynamic programming, grids, and geometry. Ooh.
Dang.
This course cannot be challenged. Yeah, I don't know how you challenge this course.
I challenge you, of course.
Challenge you to a duel.
To a duel.
You flip your hat back.
Maybe it's the middle of town
Coursework.
at high noon.
What's that?
What's student-directed coursework?
Oh, is that independent study?
371 to 374. Student directed coursework.
All right, so
You
what do
can
we got?
decide what
Oh, those are hard. Let's choose something easy. So I'm just trying to give you a simple example here, a left rotation. I don't even know what this does, but apparently I solved it. I'm just trying to give you an example of what this might look like. So left, what is it?
This is why you need to comment your code.
Me? What are you talking about?
You don't know what it does.
This isn't his code.
This isn't me. I
Then
just
look
looking
at
at this.
how you
Just
solve it.
what?
Look how you solved it.
Well, yeah, it told me I did. I don't remember solving this. A left rotation on an array shifts in, of size n shifts each of the array elements 1 unit to the left. For example, if 2 left rotations were performed on an
Whoa.
array, then the array would be given an array of n integers and a number d, perform d left rotations. Then print the updated array as a single line, space separated integer.
Whoa.
Says, it's the, whoa. It's the Neo commenter.
Whoa.
Dang it, I need like 2
I'm
credits.
not-
No, I was wearing the trench coat, and Dr. Lynn says, "Hey, you look like Neo." And I go, "It's not black, but thanks."
You tried.
You tried.
You should look at him and be like, free your mind.
Free your mind. That was Morpheus.
I know, but still.
No, you should have been like.
Falling on the floor.
Walk into class, I see you up there just
Shot.
Shot. Okay. Then print the updated array as a single line. Blah blah blah. So
So all the senior project stuff you could do at once, right?
Oh my goodness, we're not even paying attention.
I'm trying to put it in
She's not even hiding it either.
So what do we have? The first is n, d is the number of rotations, and then we're done. Okay.
I think I can do 16.
So they actually give you a section to print your code. Have y'all used HackerRank
You
before?
have enough space for 2.
Wait, use what?
HackerRank before?
No.
Hackering?
I'm trying
Yeah,
to help
HackerRank.
you here.
I don't like competitive
Hmm.
stuff.
Joyce, I'm trying to help you out here.
What do you want?
She has 16 credits, and I was trying to tell her to take competitive program.
Well, yeah, what else would you take? You need 2 hours. Duh.
Duh.
What do you get?
It'll be fun.
Do it.
Just do
No,
one of
I
the online.
competitive
Do
thing.
it. Do it. Do it.
Do one of the online competitions. You don't even have to go anywhere.
Boom.
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 And you could literally type in hello world and win.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, it's
Well, I can't do this one.
Caitlin, what's wrong with competitive programming?
Is it the
It's
time?
hard.
The time.
No, hard. No, she's saying why I can't do this.
Oh, yeah, because he has in your
Class.
history class.
Yeah.
What's the other one?
All right, so I'm reading in the 2 integers from standard input. I'm creating the array size, and then I'm going to read all the values in it.
We'll sit at a different time. I'm trying to help you here. I'm trying to get her to take competitive program.
I'm trying to show you how this is done so you can realize it's not hard.
Yes, it is.
No, look at what I'm doing. I make a for loop, I read in all the integers, then all I have to do afterwards is print them out. I mean, how hard?
No, but I don't want to compete and stuff.
You don't have to. What? Why? What's wrong with competing? What do you not like about competing? Name one problem.
You realize that you have to compete for a job when you're older,
That's
right?
That's
No, it's not. You have to program better than other people to get the job.
Why do you have Java running?
That's competitive.
What do you mean?
It's just import Java stuff.
What's wrong with Java? Oh, you get to choose whatever language you want, guys. You can have Java,
I know. You could have JavaScript.
Ada, Bash, C, Clojure,
There's
CoffeeScript,
a lot of languages.
D,
CoffeeScript.
Elixir, Fortran, F Sharp,
Groovy.
Go, Groovy. We're not doing Groovy.
That's where I would
Haskell,
Learn that.
JavaScript, Julia, LOL Code, Lua, Objective, Pascal, PHP, PyPy, R,
PyPy.
Rock, Rust. You can have some Rusty. Why is Common Lisp right after Rust when that's not alphabetically correct?
Oh,
Scala.
SDCL is SDCL.
Tickle. Tickle is one of my favorite names.
Tickle.
Tickle, VB.net. Can't do regular VB.
Whitespace.
That's just right out.
You just gotta use .NET.
Yeah. And then Whitespace. You got all sorts of
what's
them.
Whitespace?
Whiteface.
You literally just have white space.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And your
and
code
it just
just runs.
knows. That's how you could turn in the blank code.
Yeah, I did white space.
I just wrote it in white space.
I wrote in white space. You can't see it because it's not actually there.
Is that in
It's
what,
all
Squarespace?
abstract.
It's
The
all
concept
abstract?
in your mind.
Whoa.
It's whatever you would put there.
Exactly.
We are terrible people.
We are, yeah, we are horrible people. All right, so first I'm going to start at D and print the rest of the array because it'll pretend like it's left rotated. And then I'm going to start at 0 and go up to D. Let's see if that actually works. See what's
Let's
nice?
find out.
Let's run the code. I have no idea if that's going to be correct or not.
Processing.
Ooh, runtime error.
Ooh.
Scanner equals new, no
That's
suitable
a file
construct.
error.
Oh, because I have to include
Okay.
system.in. Oh, it's so terrible. Well, hopefully you can see that the main portion of this code has nothing to do with the language. Hey, I passed the test case. So then I can submit the code, and we'll see if I got it right. It'll run a bunch of other test cases for me. Look at it go. Green
Whoa.
boxes. Go, 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 go. Yeah! I got it right.
You earned 20 points. That's a lot of points.
Wait. So that class, you just do that.
Yeah.
You don't
Yeah, I
actually
got 2 labs
compete
on already. Nice.
in like.
I was gonna do some more today. Just one
You
day
have to
show.
do one competition.
Yeah, finally we got.
Oh
14.
my gosh.
Oh,
Caitlin, the only difference
15 right now.
is your touch.
You need 15. You need 14 to do 15.
And all that means, Caitlin, all that means is that after an hour, you're done. And you don't have to work on it
Same
anymore.
here.
Dude, finish it as quick as you did, then you're done and you're
Jonah,
done.
you're
Yeah,
on board,
That's
right?
an easy.
Huh?
You're on board?
That's an easy
Sure.
question.
I'll take it.
I guess.
Next year. At some point, like senior year.
Yeah.
You gotta take it twice.
Yeah.
You don't have.
You said it
have
it's
to
2
take it
semesters,
twice.
right?
Yes, but it's not offered in the spring.
No, I have a book.
You don't have to
I don't
take
have
it
to take
twice.
it. Could I take it in the spring and then take it in the fall?
35.
It's not offered in the spring.
Yeah.
Oh, right. I feel dumb.
Well.
Well then.
Wow, it closed me out. Thanks, guys. Well, anyways, look into this course. Please, everyone sign up for it.
Everybody do it, please.
Everyone go ahead and sign up. No, really, guys, it's really going to help you for your interviews. Ooh, that's the wrong word. And it'll help you become a better
I
programmer.
mean, it might
for
help
the
with the
rest-
internships too.
It would help with the internships, but it'll help you become a better programmer. Yes.
If I don't do competitive programming, can I still compete with the whole team?
Yes.
No.
Also, keep in mind that we are allowed to send more than one team. So last time I sent 3.
Central Florida and
3.
Georgia Institute of
I sent 3
Technology.
teams.
3 teams.
3
I was
teams
there.
to 3.
I was one of them.
Yeah, there you go.
Did not do it.
Oh yeah, Shayway. Sorry about
Well,
that.
you know, you gotta start somewhere, right?
Yeah, I actually hope I'll do well next time.
Yeah. No, it'll be good. We have a.
What is the courses that do not apply?
Okay. Well, anyways. Any other questions? All right. All of you are going to sign up? What's your question?
Maybe, I don't know.
No.
I saw the packet from the one they went to, the one he was talking about. And is it always gonna be like that?
I
Where
don't
it
know,
used to
it's
be like a
required.
real problem?
Yeah, like.
Hey, come on, something.
It's so confusing.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. The problems are like that, but realize, like in
So
hackering,
classes that you've taken that are-
or over here. I mean, you're reading from standard in. You read the input real quick. And I'm going to teach you how to do that real fast, and then you manipulate it and print something out. So it's not like you have to develop a website on the fly or something. It's just reading text in, spitting text out.
I don't like doing
Okay. It just looked a lot more difficult on that packet that they had.
Yeah, I mean, the problems, obviously the problems are going to be more difficult than this. But,
That's just like a basic idea.
yeah, I wouldn't give you the idea. Also, I wanted to ask y'all, would you prefer your final exam through this interface or Blackboard?
Probably
Yes.
this simple.
Hacker rank.
Blackboard sucks.
Yeah.
That was my opinion too, but I used,
If we can turn.
Do you remember mine weird issue
You
on
can
Blackboard?
actually, well, with this you can actually like see the run cases and stuff like that.
Yeah, just
Which in Blackboard you can like do that.
No, and with Blackboard it kept taking away my interface stuff.
oh yeah, that was,
That was so dumb.
Hilarious.
I literally I copied it over.
Oh yeah, that was hilarious.
It was dumb.
I mean,
Literally, I copied it over into Word.
I
and had
I
it,
do
like,
feel
fun
for
on-
you, but I couldn't stop laughing at the stupidity of Blackboard.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Oh, I know. I was like,
Blackboard's
what
always
is
like
this
that.
doing?
I do actually.
Literally, I copied it over because I kept doing it. I
Well,
was
it
like, why
thought,
is this not working?
yeah, I thought the templates were a tag, so it was trying to automatically
Yeah.
tag something. It didn't even make sense.
I didn't like it.
You can't say you
It was so stupid.
Every time I take a test or something on Blackboard, like from my public speaking class, it always kicks you out. Like it's inevitable.
Inevitable?
Yeah.
Well,
Alright.
if you help our
Inevitable.
Wi-Fi sucks.
Alright, guys.
If the Wi-Fi goes down for a second, it shuts you out of Blackboard.
Yep, with HackerRank, if you get kicked off, you just sign back in.
How is our final gonna be for this?
Like the midterm,
Long
except
and
now
dark.
in HackerRank. What was your question?
Long and dark.
Dark. There is no darkness in this class.
Pure sadness.
Alright, any other questions about the competitive programming class? Or ACM?
What if I? Am I allowed to order the class?
Audit the class? Does that even make sense? Sure, go ahead.
That makes no sense.
Any other questions? You're all signing up? Good.
You never said
Your interaction before.
Well, you have no.
I have it on recording, y'all just said yes.
Yup. I never.
Yes, I heard it from all. Alright.